super simple. It's gonna be a perfect green weight loss smoothie recipe. I got some ingredients prepped already. So let's get my blender. All right, that's the blender right there. Nice one. So first of all, we're going to put some mint into the blender. We need some fresh mint, or good organic mint. Also, we're gonna put a piece of a ginger inside of it. Then we're gonna squeeze some lime, or you can use lemon. You got an option. All right. Nice one. All right, now we're gonna put a nice, lovely handful of spinach into the blender. All right, that's some spinach. Also, we're gonna put some celery. All right, that's some celery. I'm just gonna use up my celery because I do love celery very much. I'm gonna put some cucumber. All right, this is very simple. We got ginger, lime, and we got some spinach, and we got celery and some cucumber and some fresh mint. All right, and that looks so delicious so far. What we're gonna do, we're gonna just put a little bit of apple cider vinegar in it, just a pinch of apple cider vinegar. And if you like, you can also squeeze a roughly half a teaspoon of organic honey inside of it. All right. Okay, now we're gonna put some of your favorite in it, which is gonna be some water. Roughly about, that's gonna be probably about half a cup of water. I'm not using too much water. All right. So that's what we are trying to do, not to use too much liquid. Yeah, just gonna keep it simple like that. All right, beautiful. Here are more ingredients you guys can add to it. If you like to, you can add anything you like to add to it. But to be honest with you, this is really perfect to drink. All right. All right, now let's our cup and our blender. Excellent. Yeah, so we're gonna make some noise. Now, oh, smell amazing. Now let's pour out this and look at this, guys. It's a very beautiful green smoothie. All right, and That's what I'm talking about. All right. Perfect, very nice, and also delicious to have in the morning when you wake up, if you want to have something like this. All right. It doesn't take nothing, guys, to, you know, go in the kitchen and make yourself a nice, lovely, healthy, beautiful smoothie like this one. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned in. We've got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo to you guys. And if you like what I just made, you know what to do. Just leave your comments right there. All right. Tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. And remember, subscribe is very important. Big up on yourself every time. And I'm out.